Hello, everyone. Today, we will introduce the development of I2C using the BearPi platform. The relevant APIs include initializing I2C, deinitializing I2C, and reading data from I2C devices, etc. The NFC chip's I2C corresponds to GPIO pins GPIO0 and GPIO1. Therefore, it is necessary to write software to handle this. To control the NFC chip, we will use GPIO_0 and GPIO_1 to generate the I2C signals. This will enable communication with the NFC chip. Finally, the relevant information will be displayed on a smartphone. Enter VS Code to view the relevant code. First, create an I2C task. Initialize GPIO in the task. Set GPIO pins to be reused as SDA and SCL. Initialize I2C and set the frequency. Then, call the read and write functions of the NFC driver. Then, you can write text and data to the NFC chip by using the NFC function of the phone and touching it to the chip. You can retrieve the text content and web links. Compile the code. Select the burning file, then press the development board reset button. After successful burning, disconnect the connection. Now, you can test the functionality. Approach the NFC chip on the development board with your phone. You will be able to display the relevant information from the text. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code and understand the concept of this experiment. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.